Hey guys, we're gonna take and do a first cook in the marked Wagner Chef Skillet. Yesterday when I put up the video with the different weights, had a buddy of mine from Lubbock also say that his weighed somewhere in between the other two. The only thing I can think of, the reason why there would be such a variation in weights, is the ages that they were. Like this one, I think is one of the older ones when it was Wagner. I know the unmarked one I have was definitely made after they took and sold either to GHC or Randall. So you can tell on that because it doesn't have the Sydney O. More than likely, it was made in the Cincinnati foundry when they took and moved there. So anyway, to get back to this, we are going to take and cook just a quick breakfast to do a test on this. And yes, I'm going to use some oil in it just to make sure that nothing sticks. It's the first time. I don't want to try it too hard. All right, guys. So we got it in there. I scrambled up 3 eggs, and you'll see the little bits and pieces in there. That's some onions, and also got some of the crispy stuff left after when you make fried chicken. So that's sitting in there, and it should turn out pretty good. I got some onions in there, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit, and then we'll scramble it on up. All right, guys, it looks like it did pretty good. Nothing really stuck to it. One thing I did notice when this one got up to temperature, it does spin a little bit. So it's not bad enough that it's gonna be like a ballerina, but it definitely can spin when you try to. So, but overall, it looks like it did pretty good. I mean, nothing really stuck to it. So we will take and eat this up for breakfast, and then head to work for this Friday. Hope everybody stays warm because I know it's still pretty chilly out there. Y'all have a great weekend.